Thanks so much for tuning in to Dualsporyt. If you're new to the channel, we really would appreciate it if you go out and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out here on the channel. And if you watch this video, we're going to give you a chance to win some free merchandise today. Welcome to Dualsporyt. Thanks so much for tuning in the channel. If you saw the thumbnail, you might have an idea about what we're doing, but I need some help from you guys. What is missing from our 2025 DR Z4S? What do you see is missing? I'll give you a hint. This monstrosity. So this is what comes equipped from the factory on the DR Z4S. And today, if you watch this video, we're going to give you a shot at winning one of these products that we have installed on the bike. Today, we're going to be taking a look at these. This is the Flexi Fender, and this company was kind enough to work a deal out with us to send us these. And if you watch this video, we're going to show you how to win one of these. Now, we have got ours installed on the bike. We're going to show you some footage of that and show you how much cleaner it looks. And it got rid of that huge whale tail that was hanging off the back of this bike. And according to Flexi Fender, these are pretty much indestructible. They're made of a specific type of rubber. They flex and bend in any direction. And there's other YouTubers that have been out there that have ran over these with cars and SUVs, and they still look just like this. So if you're out there and you own a DR Z4S, this is a godsend. Now, if you watch this video, we're going to tell you exactly how to win these, and we're giving away two. And we're also going to have links down in the description. If you don't win, there's going to be a coupon code down in there. And if you use that coupon code, you're going to get another discount. And we're going to tell you all about that in just a second. So as I said, we have two of these to give away today, and we're going to show you guys how to get them. We reached out and we ordered our own for this bike. We'll show you some up close on it in a second. We got it installed over the weekend. Super easy installation. It was just really easy to put this on, and it just changes the look of the bike from the factory look that Suzuki sends it out in. And we reached out to this company, and we bought ours, and they sent us two more, these two, to give to you guys. If you're looking at this product, one of the coolest things about this product is all of the factory lights go right back into this. You don't lose anything. Everything is back just like it was, but you get rid of that huge monstrosity of a tail that it seems like most of these manufacturers these days decide they need to put on these bikes. So I'm trying to get you a good look at it. And as I said before, installation is really simple. I've done a lot of upgrades to the bikes we have, and I promise you, if I can put this on, you guys can put it on. It's really simple. That's going to be really simple. All you have to do is to like this video. You have to share this video to another platform or to a platform where people will see it, and you have to be subscribed to the channel. And then if you do those three things, all you have to do is go back in the comments. And in your comment, you have to type the word done, D-O-N-E, and that lets us know that you have done the other three steps. You've liked the video, you're subscribed to the channel, and you have shared the video. If you do that, we're going to put everybody's name in just a couple of days, and we're going to spin the wheel, and two of you guys are getting free products. Now, as I said before, there's a coupon. You're going to get 10% off if you order through our link. There's a coupon down here, and if you just use our code, you're going to get 10% off if you buy it. If you don't know anything about these, they're beginning to blow up in America as far as the DR Z4 goes, 4S. Another thing, after speaking to the owner, there are more bikes in the works. He's working on doing this for more, And as you know, on our channel, we have 3 bikes, and it just so happens to have that all 3 of the bikes we have is the ones he's kind of got in line for the next Flexi Fenders. So make sure you hang out, make sure you go out and like the video, make sure you share the video, and subscribe to the channel. It really would help us. We have these products for you today, and we already have more products for you on the way. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next Dualsport YT.